Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to learn something very important in English. How to say sorry. It might sound simple, but in English there are many ways to apologize. Some are casual, some are strong, some are very formal, and knowing which one to use makes a big difference. We'll also learn how to make polite excuses and how to respond when someone apologizes to you. Let's begin. Section 1. Basic apologies. Let's start with the most common apologies. Sorry. This is the most casual, everyday apology. You use it for small things, bumping into someone, being slightly late, a small mistake. Oh, sorry about that. Oops, sorry, I'm sorry. This is slightly stronger, more sincere. You use it when you genuinely feel bad about something. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry about the misunderstanding. I'm so sorry. Even stronger, you feel very bad. I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry I forgot. I apologize. This is more formal. You use it in professional situations. I apologize for the delay. I apologize for any inconvenience. Notice the difference. Sorry is casual and quick. I apologize is formal and serious. In British English, people say sorry very often, sometimes even when it's not their fault. If someone bumps into a British person, the British person will often say sorry first. This is just politeness, not admitting they did something wrong. Key phrases to remember. Sorry about that. I'm sorry I'm late. I apologize for the delay. Section 2. Strong apologies. Sometimes a simple sorry isn't enough. You need to show you really mean it. Here's how to make a stronger apology. Add an adverb. I'm really sorry. I'm truly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm deeply sorry. Used for very serious situations. Take responsibility clearly. That was completely my fault. I should have been more careful. I take full responsibility. I was wrong and I'm sorry. Show you understand the impact. I understand this caused you a lot of trouble. I know how frustrating this must be. I realize this wasn't good enough. Offer to fix it. Let me make it up to you. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again. How can I put this right? Please let me fix this. A full strong apology sounds like this. I'm really sorry about the mistake. That was completely my fault. I understand it caused you a lot of trouble. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again. Key phrases to remember. I'm truly sorry, that was my fault. I take full responsibility. Let me make it up to you. Section 3. Making excuses. Sometimes you need to explain why something happened. This is called making an excuse. In English, polite excuses sound like explanations, not like you are avoiding responsibility. Common polite excuses. I'm afraid I can't make it. You can't attend something. Something has come up. An unexpected problem has appeared. I've been really busy lately. Unfortunately, I have a prior commitment. You already have plans. I wasn't feeling well. The traffic was terrible. I completely lost track of time. Notice the word afraid. I'm afraid I can't make it. I'm afraid is a very British polite phrase meaning unfortunately. I'm afraid we're fully booked. I'm afraid I don't know the answer. To soften an excuse further, add, I'm really sorry, but unfortunately. I hate to say this, but, for example, I'm so sorry, but something has come up and I won't be able to make it tonight. I'm afraid I have a prior commitment, but could we reschedule? Key phrases to remember. I'm afraid I can't make it. Something has come up. Could we reschedule? Section 4. Accepting and responding to apologies. When someone apologizes to you, how do you respond? Accepting an apology, casual. No worries, very common in British and Australian English. Don't worry about it. It's fine, honestly. No problem at all. Forget about it. Accepting an apology, warm and generous. That's okay. These things happen. I completely understand. It happens to everyone. Really, don't give it another thought. Accepting an apology, formal. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate your apology. I understand completely. Now, what if you are not ready to accept the apology? Maybe it was something serious. You can say politely, I appreciate you saying that, but I need a little time. Thank you, it's going to take me a while to process this. I hear you, but I'm still feeling hurt. These are honest and mature responses. They are not rude, they are real. Key phrases to remember. No worries at all. These things happen. I appreciate you saying that, but I need a little time. Section 5. Formal written apologies. Sometimes you need to apologize in writing in an email or a letter. Formal written apologies have a clear structure. Start with, I am writing to apologize for. I would like to sincerely apologize for. State what happened, the delay in responding to your inquiry, the error in your order, the inconvenience caused. Take responsibility. This was due to an oversight on our part. I understand this fell below the standard you expect. Offer a solution or reassurance. We have taken steps to ensure this does not happen again. Please find attached the corrected document. As a gesture of goodwill, we would like to offer you, close warmly, once again, I sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Key phrases to remember. I would like to sincerely apologize for. This was due to an oversight on our part. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Wonderful work today. Let's review. Basic apologies. Sorry for small things. I'm sorry for genuine feeling. I apologize for formal situations. Strong apologies. I'm truly sorry, that was my fault. Let me make it up to you. Excuses. I'm afraid I can't make it. Something has come up. Accepting. No worries, or these things happen. Written. I would like to sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. Remember, a good apology in English has 3 things. It admits what happened, it shows you feel bad, and it offers to fix things. In our next lesson, we'll cover giving and receiving compliments in English. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. You're doing so well. Keep going.